In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Salesforce ID for an account. Navigating Salesforce to find specific information like account IDs can seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite straightforward once you know where to look. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step so you can easily find the Salesforce ID whenever you need it. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Salesforce account and heading to your Salesforce homepage. This is your central hub for navigating the platform, so make sure you're familiar with this page. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top bar where you'll see the search option. Go ahead and click on that. The search function in Salesforce is incredibly powerful and should be your go-to tool for quickly finding records within the platform. Next, in the search bar, type in Accounts. This will pull up a list of account-related options and records. From this list, look for the option labeled My Accounts and click on it. This will take you to a page displaying all the accounts you have access to. It's essentially your personal directory of accounts within Salesforce. Now, from the list of accounts, find and click on the specific account for which you want to get the ID. Once you click on an account, the page will load with more detailed information about that account. This is where you'll find the information you're looking for. Here's the key part. Once the account page has loaded, take a look at the web address or URL in your browser's address bar. The Salesforce ID is embedded within this URL. It's a unique series of numbers and letters that identifies the account in Salesforce. Usually, it's located towards the end of the URL. Simply note this sequence down or copy it for your records. And there you have it. That's how you find the Salesforce ID for an account. Remember, understanding where to look and how to navigate the platform effectively can save you a lot of time and effort. Each account has its own unique Salesforce ID, so whenever you're managing data or integrating systems, this ID will be crucial. I hope you found this guide helpful. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be able to efficiently access and manage account information within Salesforce. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or explore additional resources. Thanks for watching and happy navigating!